Hello, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Yoga with Prashneet Jivanandam. So, in today's video, we are going to learn some breathing techniques which is also called pranayams in yoga. Good. The breathing techniques form a very important part of yoga. So, if one practices these breathing techniques every day, it will help you to keep your mind and also your body in a very healthy state. Good. Let me start with a simple introduction about the breathing techniques. Good. The first thing, your breathing has a very strong connection with your mind. To give an example, when you are getting very angry, generally normal human being breathes 15 to 17 times per minute. But when you get very angry, then your breath rate and your heartbeat also goes very high and fast also. For example, you will be breathing like 30 times per minute and so on. So, the second example, you might have seen somebody when they are crying, they may be a kid, they may be an adult also. When they are crying with emotion, then they will be gasping for breath. So, these two examples will tell you how much your breath and your mind and your emotions are connected. Good. So, health is the state of body and your mind without any disease. Good. You consider any chronic disease, for example, you consider diabetes or heart-related problems or asthma and so on and so forth. It basically starts from your mind. So, the lot of stress and other emotional parameters that comes into you, then in the future it develops into a chronic disease. So to avoid this, the breathing techniques that you are going to learn from now on will help you to remove any stress from your mind and improve your positive thinking and keep your mind in a very healthy state. Good. The second point is your physical body. Your body tries to dispose all the toxins inside your body. For example, your excretory organs, even your skin will try to expel the unwanted toxins from your body. Your skin will try to remove the toxins through your sweat and so on and so forth. So that is also one important system that tries to remove the toxins from your body, and that is your respiratory system. Practicing these breathing techniques will also help you to remove the toxins from your body, detoxify your body and improve your physical health also. Good. So, having said this, now we can directly start with the techniques that we are going to learn. So, the first technique is a very simple relaxation technique, and you can start this practice after following my previous videos. You can do the warming up, you can do the sun salutation sequence, and then you can start with this technique number 1. Good. So to start this technique, you have to come to the lying down position. Good. So just lie down on the floor. Relax your whole body. There should not be any stress in your body. Good. Now you can close your eyes. So in this breathing technique, there is going to be 3 steps. So the step 1, you have to place your palms on your abdomen. You can keep your elbows on the ground. Good. Now first, empty your lungs, exhale completely. And start with deep inhalation. In step 1, you are going to inhale from your stomach. So during inhalation, your abdomen, your stomach is going to come up, and exhalation, your stomach is going to go down. Good. That is step 1. Step 2, you are going to place your palms on your rib cage. So in this step, during inhalation and exhalation, you are going to breathe in and breathe out from your rib cage. So during inhalation, your rib cage should come out, and exhalation, rib cage goes down. Step 3, now place your palms on your chest, and this time breathe in and breathe out from your chest. So during inhalation, your chest comes up, and exhalation, chest goes down. Good. So now let's start. We can do it together. Close your eyes. Lie in a simple resting state. So step 1, keep your palms on your abdomen. You should have a gentle smiling face. That means you are not forcing during your inhalation and exhalation. Good. First empty your lungs. Exhale completely out. So step 1, let's start. First time, inhale. Slow and deep inhalation. Your abdomen comes up and exhale. Abdomen goes completely inside. Second time, inhale. Exhale. Last time, inhale. And exhale. Very good. Step 2. Now place your palms on your rib cage. First time. Now inhale from your rib cage. Your rib cage comes out and exhale. Rib cage goes inside. Second time, inhale. And exhale. Last time, inhale. And exhale. Step 3, now place your palms on your chest. This time, inhale and exhale from your chest. So, first time, inhale. Chest comes out and exhale. Chest goes in. Second time, inhale. And exhale. Last time, inhale. And exhale. And you can slowly relax. You can place your palms on the ground. Back to the resting position. Now without opening your eyes, turn to your left side. Lie on your left side. Imagine your left arm as a pillow. Place your right palm on the ground. Now press your right palm on the ground and slowly come to comfortable sitting position. Good. Now don't open your eyes. Now bring your palms together and start rubbing your palms. Generate some heat in your palms. Now you can place your palms on your eyes. Good. Now open your palms in front of your face. Now slowly open your eyes and look at your palms. And relax. Good. So this is technique 1. So after doing this simple technique, you will immediately feel the effect. Your mind and your body will be in a rest state and calm down state now. Good. So generally, when you are breathing in and breathing out, you are using just one part of your lungs. And this technique, what you have done in step 1, step 2 and step 3, you have activated the other parts of your lungs also, which we use it very rarely. Good. So when you are doing it, so I would recommend at least do 10 times, 10 cycles in every step, so that you can get the most benefit out of this course, out of this technique, sorry. Good. So now let's go to the technique number 2. So technique number 2 is also called the technique that activates your energy level. Okay, so it's called fire breathing. You can come to comfortable sitting position. So I will be sitting in the lotus pose, Padmasana. If you can't do this, no problem. You can simply sit in cross-leg position. This is called easy pose or Sukhasana. You can keep your left leg down and right leg up, and you can sit in a straight position. Good. So come to the sitting position. Now your starting position is you have to close your fingers and keep your fist near to your shoulders. Good. I will show you one cycle and then we can do it together for 10 cycles. So I will show you an example. This is the starting position. Now inhale and raise your arms. You have to stretch your arms up completely and you have to open your fingers also. Now exhale forcibly and bring your arms down. Back to the starting position. This is one cycle and let's do it together now for continuously 10 cycles. So let's start. So everybody in starting position and start. And slowly relax. Very good. So this is technique number 2. After doing this technique, you will feel that your energy level is actually has increased and you are ready to go for the next practices. So this is a very good, very important technique, the fire breathing, and it is also called as the detoxification technique. So it will try to remove lot of toxins from your body through this forcible breathing. And one of the important benefits of this technique is it opens your nasal passages also, if you have any block in your nasal passages. Good. So now we are going to learn third breathing technique, technique 3. So continue in the comfortable sitting position. So this technique is called Nadi Shuddhi. So this is also a very simple technique, and this technique helps to remove all the toxins from your entire body, and it will increase your oxygen concentration, oxygen level in your blood. So when you have a lot of oxygen content in your body, then it always keeps you very energetic and healthy also. Good. So let's start to learn this technique. So in the sitting posture, keep your left palm in Chin Mudra. This is called Chin Mudra. You have to bend your thumb and your index finger, so, and keep your left arm on your left knee. Sit straight. Your right palm should be in Nasi Mudra. This is called Nasi Mudra. You have to fold your index finger and middle finger. Other 3 fingers are opened. Good. So now close your right nostril with your thumb. Good. The next step is keep your right elbow in a correct position, not too high and not too low. Keep your right elbow in the comfortable position. Slightly you can tilt your head down, not too much, but slightly you can tilt your head down. Good. Just remember one thing, during your inhalation and exhalation, your body tends to slightly expand and contract. That is very natural. Don't try to forcibly restrict that. So just leave it as it is. And one more thing, during your inhalation and exhalation in this technique 3, always try to concentrate on your breath and try to track your breath. During your complete inhalation and complete exhalation, try to track your breath. Good. Now let's start. Close your right nostril with your thumb finger. Good. Close your eyes. Your head is slightly tilted down. Now exhale completely through your left nostril. Empty your lungs. Exhale through your left. Let's start the first cycle. Inhale through left. Slow and deep inhalation. Close both the nostrils. Now open your right nostril and slowly exhale through your right nostril. Again, inhale through your right nostril. Slow and deep inhalation. Close. Now slow and deep exhalation through your left. This is the end of first cycle. Now let's start the second cycle. Inhale through left. Close. Exhale through right. Inhale through right. Close. Exhale through left. This is the end of second cycle. Let's start the third cycle. Inhale through left. Close. Exhale through right. Inhale through right. Close. And exhale through left. And slowly relax. Now you can slowly open your eyes. Very good. So now I have shown you example only for the 3 cycles. So my recommendation is you can at least start with 10 cycles. There is no harm. This is a very simple technique. So once you are done with the 10th cycle, you will be feeling the refreshness in your body and your mind also. So your body will have a lot of oxygen content now and you will be very active. Good. Now let's go to the technique number 4. We are going to follow the same steps as like technique number 3. So the only difference is after inhaling, you are going to retain your breath for a count of 5. And then other steps you are going to follow as like the technique number 3. Just one word of caution. Maybe if you are not comfortable with holding your breath for 5 seconds, you can reduce the count. You can just start with 3. But if you are comfortable with 5, very much comfortable, then you can at least start with 8. And then you can, when you practice regularly, you can increase your retention. Maximum you go up to 16 seconds of holding your breath and not more than that. So now let's start technique number 4. So right hand in Nasi Mudra, left hand in Chin Mudra. Close your right nostril, close your eyes and slightly tilt your head down. Exhale completely through your left nostril, empty your lungs. First cycle, let's start with inhalation through your left. Inhale. Stop. Close both the nostrils and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale through right. Inhale through right. Stop. Hold on for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Exhale through left. So this is the end of first cycle. Second cycle, inhale through left. Stop. Hold on for 5 seconds. Exhale through right. Inhale through right. Stop. Hold on for 5 seconds. Exhale through left. Inhale through left. Third cycle. Stop. exhale through right. Inhale through right. Stop. And exhale through left. You can slowly relax. And now you can slowly open your eyes. So, now I have shown you only for 3 cycles. So my recommendation is, again you can do this for 10 more cycles. So after doing 10 cycles, you will really feel the difference. Good. So you are going to learn the last technique in this video now. So for that, I would recommend you to come to the diamond pose. So this is called diamond pose. You have to flatten your feet and you have to sit on your legs. If any of you have pain in your ankle, you can use a soft towel. You can place a soft towel underneath your ankle, and that will help you to reduce the stress in your ankle. So you have to maintain your back straight. And this is diamond pose. So after coming to the diamond pose, I'll show you example of 1 cycle. So you can just look at me, and then we can do it together continuously for 3 cycles. So you can drop your hands like this. You have to inhale through your nose, slow and deep inhalation. Now exhale through your mouth, and you have to come down in 4 steps. I will show you how to do that. Again inhale through your nose and come up. Back to the starting position. Now this is the end of first cycle. So you have to do this continuously for at least 3 times. So this will try to help your body to cool down. So I'll change the view. I'll show you in the side view. Now let's do it together continuously for 3 cycles. So starting position, drop your hands, keep your back straight, inhale through your nose. Now exhale forcibly through your mouth 4 times and come down. Inhale and come up. Second time. Inhale through your nose and come up. Last time. Inhale and come up. Now relax and exhale. Very good. Now you can release your legs and come back to the simple sitting position. Good. So I recommend you to follow all these techniques in sequence that we have learned today. And also don't forget to see my previous videos of warming up sequence, sun salutation and other sequences for different problems that we have already seen in the previous videos. And continue with the breathing techniques also and get the most benefits out of it. So I wish you all a very healthy and happy life. See you all soon with still more breathing techniques to follow. Thank you very much.